Yeah, the bigger fish, they're in the deeper water right now.
Is this the channel that comes in on this inlet over here?
Yeah, and there's some real tall weeds, although we're just out of them now, but we've definitely had a couple really good fish since we pulled out here. One thing about this lake, you don't have to go far to get out of the weather.
Yeah, like what we were talking about. The wind was kicking up, and look at it here.
Yeah, it's flat calm. We got just a little bit of wind and perfect for a drift. So you're never fishing the same water twice. Another good hit. Come on, you know you want it. There he is. Oh, just a little guy. There we go, we got him. Oh, it's so fun when you take it right at the boat. Oh,
look at that.
Whoa! Barely hooked. There we go. Nice release.
Nice.
Single barbless hook. That was so nice. Yeah, no damage to the fish. Yeah, and away you go again.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Go get the big one.
We're trying. He'll be here. Oh, look at that. Whoa, get that other
one. A couple of big ones. Holy cow.
Holy, they came out of nowhere.
I'm going to try and poach on that second one.
There. I'll let mine go. You don't have a decoy now.
Oh, wait, something was there.
Yeah, he's there. Where'd he go? Oh, there.
Oh, dang, man. I think I just educated him. I did. I sore-lipped him. Yikes.
Wow, those two came out.
That was something, huh?
There's some bigger fish here, yeah. Man. Yeah. Oh, there we go.
Nice. Tell you, when you find where they're at, it doesn't take long, that's for sure.
No, every cast.
Is that a good one? Oh, I got hammered. Oh, that's a nice one. That's a good grade. We haven't shown a fish yet. We should pick one up, right?
Okay. That's a good guy.
Yeah, he's not bad at all, huh? Let me see if I can do it without cutting my fingers off.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. I see guides do this all the time.
Oh, really? How do you do it?
They do it like this.
And they get so much bigger.
They just hold them.
Compared to the
I mean, look at that. Look at that fish.
They're pretty, eh?
Brian, that is a beautiful fish. They got that big flat face.
Oh, sorry. Did it get you? Colors, eh? The green.
That's what we're looking at.
So pretty.
They're just a tough fish.
Yeah. So.
Even when you drop them in the boat, they're hard to kill. Come on, baby. I think he got me a little bit.
The dangers of pike fishing.
Yeah, it's worth it totally. I think I'm bleeding and he's not.
He won that battle.
He's almost ready. Look at him go. Brian, that was a beautiful fish.
Yeah,
that was awesome. Nice one.
Yeah.
And then that's a nice, sometimes that happens. You know, not too bad, but just get you sliced. They go nuts.
There's that bigger one.
Yeah.
Don't even see the hook on this one.
Look at that.
Swallowed it. Yeah. You're just looking at you. Eh?
I'm gonna let you get yourself all cut up on that
I'll show you
fish.
how to do it.
Okay, go ahead. He's a good fish.
I'll say. Okay, jaws. The challenge, can you release it without bleeding? One good tip about pike fishing, you should always come with band-aids.
And spreaders.
Yeah.
And a good raincoat. Yeah. See how Brian does it? Brian does it by getting the fish just tired, so he's got nothing left, right? After this, he gets to do his own now. Look at that chasmous mouth with all those teeth. No wonder I'm bleeding.
You can reach right in there. You sucker.
Oh, I am glad you get to work on this one.
There we go.
There you go. Barb
Just like
comes
that.
out though, doesn't it? And it saves the fish. You imagine with a barb on that, you would have ripped his gill out totally.
Yeah. There he goes.
Kicked away.
For another day.
Nice. Way to go. Hey, did you count digits? How many you got left?
That's it.
Good one. Good one. Whew.
Oop. Someone wants it.
Brian, what are you doing on your retrieve? Are you varying it?
Yeah. Reel and stop. Reel and stop. And the spoon just does something just a little bit different. As you can see in this water, it's crystal clear. And they'll follow you for quite a ways. And the moment it does something different, that's when they strike.
Anthony on?
Right at the boat. Yeah, just teased him into it. Oh, he's rolling on me.
Oh, big one. Oh, that's a nice fish. Holy cow, Anthony. Nice.
Just wrap right up. Pretty, eh?
Oh, that's a good fish. Brian, I guess you get duty on this one. Nice one, Anthony.
Yeah, gave a few runs to his strong.
Come here, you. There, I got my glasses.
Whoa! Look at how wet you are.
All this to get a picture of a pike.
Holy cow. You know what? Didn't you tell that pike that you own the resort here?
Obviously he's not listening.
Oh, dang, that's so funny. Oh, hold it up all the way out of the water. That's a nice fish. Holy cow. Brian, you can hold a pike up.
Yeah.
Look at that.
I just work on the big ones. You get wetter that way.
That is a nice fish.
Okay,
Anthony.
we'll loose.
Right at the boat.
Nice one. He hit you right at the boat?
Oh yeah, no, I just jigged it right in front of him, dropped it down a little bit, pulled it back up. He was
Nailed him on
staring
the
at
nose?
it. Yeah.
Beauty. Beautiful. Let's let that one go.
Okay.
Oh, that is incredible.
Good. That was good for a shower.
That was beautiful. That was so funny. That was hysterical.
It drenched me.
Look at this. Let's see how wet you are. You're like all over your pants.
My arms.
Look at that.
So,
Oh man.
yeah, again, you see out the glasses.
Cool. Give me 5 for getting him soaked. Nice one. Nice one. Whew.